The technology package is an application on which you can control different tools. For example, a laser head, a milling head, grinding head. You can equip them on the robot and then execute your trajectories with the technology package generated by CAM software. The technology package is a 100% in-house created application by CNC Solutions. In the last 10 years, we've worked on a lot of different robot projects, encountered a lot of problems, issues with creating trajectories for robots. We've solved them all for you, and in this technology package, you easily can use our technology for your application. A technology package is fairly plug and play. You have your own robot, you have your own tools that you want to use, and then you just plug them into the technology package, configure them in the software, in the HMI, and then you create your own trajectories with your robot in our technology package. For the technology package, we use NC, that is a CAM software, to create trajectories. In NC, we program everything offline, so you start from a 3D model, you import it into NC, you create your G-code, your trajectories in NC, and that can be exported all offline and then equipped onto the machine and executed. So your machine doesn't have to stand still while you're programming. Your program is made offline.